This 2022 East to West Entrada 2600 DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used East to West is 26 feet 0 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2022 East to West Entrada 2600 DS is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.